Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Yo, 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 yo. Well, go on, my beautiful peoples. Alright. Today I'll be showing you a simple, easy, yet delicious garlic butter salmon. Just look at this. Just look how beautiful this look. Alright. So let's jump right into the recipe. So right here I have 454 grams of wild Pacific salmon. And guys, it doesn't matter the type of salmon you use. You can use any salmon for this recipe. Now I'm slicing my salmon in some nice servings. Alright, as you can see right here, I'm using the salmon with the skin, but you can also use the salmon without the skin. Now I'm going in with some salt to taste. Also gonna add some pepper to taste. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rub my seasoning into my salmon. Alright guys, so right here I have 5 cloves of garlic. Also some thyme. And guys, I'm using the softer part of the thyme, as you can see right here. And for my rosemary, I'm just going to use the leaves of the rosemary and also the tips, because you don't want to be biting any stems. Trust me, it's not a good feeling. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button alongside with that notification bell, just to keep you notified each and every time I have a new release. So now I'm gonna finally chop my rosemary. Also my garlic. Now my thyme. With my stove on high heat, I'm now going in with 1 tablespoon of corn oil. And I'm going to take a brush and just brush the oil across the bottom of my skillet. Now that my skillet is hot, I'll be going in with my salmon, and I'm going in with my salmon face down and skin up. Reason being, I want to get a nice sear on the flesh of the salmon. And you want to give it about 2 minutes on each side. Guys, just look how nice and golden this look. Just look at that. Just look how beautiful that is. Now I'm going in with 60 grams of butter. Also my garlic. Guys, make sure you reduce your heat to low heat. Also gonna add my thyme and my rosemary. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spoon feed my garlic butter sauce all over the salmon. And for my final ingredients, I'll be going in with some freshly chopped parsley. So here are the finishing product right here. Oh, look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow, nice. All right, so I'm serving mine with some garlic mashed potato and some mixed veg. Guys, just look how gorgeous this look. Just look at this meat. Wow, trust me. All right, so I'm just gonna give you another close-up. Also gonna do a little taste test for y'all. Guys, I wish if your taste bud was my taste bud right now, you'll be tasting exactly what I'm tasting. All right, just let me get a little bit of that mashed potato with that salmon. Yo, this shot, trust me.